5 English words you must start using. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English. I'm Peter, and today I have an exciting episode for you all. If you want to take your everyday conversations to the next level and sound more natural, then you're in the right place. In today's episode, 5 English words you must start using now. We'll explore 5 new words and 1 common expression that you can incorporate into your daily vocabulary. Trust me, these expressions are a game changer when it comes to feeling confident and fluent. Before we dive into each word, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and lessons that will boost your English fluency. Now, let's get started. The Daily Vocabulary Challenge. One of the keys to becoming fluent in English is to learn something new every day. By adding new words to your active vocabulary, you make your speech more varied and engaging. Today, we're going to follow a themed lesson structured by days of the week. Each day introduces a new word or expression that you can practice and apply in your real-life conversations. Let's go through them one by one. Sunday, jet lag. Let's begin with Sunday's word, jet lag. Jet lag is that feeling of tiredness and confusion you often experience after a long flight across different time zones. It's not just about being sleepy, it's a temporary disruption in your body's natural rhythm. Examples. After my trip to Australia, my jet lag symptoms lasted for almost a week. To combat jet lag, it's important to stay hydrated and adjust your sleep schedule before traveling. Long-haul flights can be exhausting and often result in severe jet lag. Situations where you can use jet lag. Talking about travel experiences with friends after a long journey. Explaining why you may feel off or tired after a big trip. Discussing travel tips in a conversation about long-distance flights. When you use this word, you immediately tap into conversations about travel and adventure. It's a great way to connect with fellow travelers. Monday, gallivant. Moving on to Monday, our word is gallivant. To gallivant means to travel or wander about aimlessly, often in search of pleasure or amusement. It conveys a sense of carefree, exploration, and fun. Examples. She was always gallivanting around the world, never settling down in one place for too long. On his days off, he loved to gallivant around town, trying new restaurants and exploring different neighborhoods. They planned to gallivant through Europe with their best friends, soaking up all the sights and sounds. Situations where you might use gallivant. Describing spontaneous travel adventures with friends. Sharing your weekend plans in a fun, informal way. Talking about a vacation where the purpose was simply to explore and enjoy new experiences. Imagine telling a friend, "I'm planning to gallivant around the city this weekend." It instantly sounds exciting and adventurous. Tuesday, roaming. On Tuesday, we introduce the word roaming. Roaming means to move around freely without a fixed destination, almost like a free-spirited wanderer. It's perfect for describing those times when you just want to explore without any constraints. Examples. During her teenage years, she spent countless summers roaming the beaches of Australia, soaking up the sun and surf. The bustling streets of a new city are ideal for roaming and discovering hidden gems at every turn. I love roaming around different neighborhoods, finding quirky cafes and unique boutiques. Situations to use roaming. Talking about an unplanned day of exploration in a new city. Describing leisure time during a vacation. Sharing experiences of discovering parts of your own city that you've never visited before. It's a casual, yet evocative word that conveys a sense of curiosity and freedom. Hey, let me tell you, one of the best strategies that helped me achieve fluency is practicing conversations, even on my own. You might ask, but how can I practice conversations? By myself? Well, to help you with that, I've prepared a complete guide titled, How to Improve My English by Practicing Conversations, Even Alone. You can get this guide for free in PDF format by clicking the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Wednesday. Transcendent Wednesday's word is transcendent. This word describes a moment or experience that is so amazing or profound that it goes beyond normal human experience. It's perfect for those rare, awe-inspiring moments in life. Examples. The view from the mountain summit was transcendent, leaving us speechless in its beauty. Listening to that live symphony in the Grand Concert Hall was a transcendent experience that I'll never forget. There are moments in life, like watching a breathtaking sunrise, that are truly transcendent. Situations where transcendent fits in. Describing an unforgettable travel experience that moves you deeply. Sharing a personal moment of realization or awe. Talking about art, music, or nature that leaves you in wonder. Using transcendent in your conversations not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps express those special moments that go beyond words. Thursday, Epiphany. On Thursday, let's learn about epiphany. An epiphany is a moment of sudden, profound realization or insight. It's that aha moment that can change the way you think or feel about something significant in your life. Examples. After attending an inspiring seminar, she had an epiphany about her career path that changed everything. While reading a novel, he experienced an epiphany regarding the meaning of life. Her epiphany about the importance of self-care came after a long period of stress and burnout. Situations to use. Epiphany. Sharing moments of realization. That altered your perspective. Describing a turning point in your personal or professional life. Discussing inspirational experiences in a reflective conversation. An epiphany can be a powerful word to use when you want to convey a deep, personal transformation or insight. Friday. Catch someone off guard. And finally, for Friday, we have the expression, catch someone off guard. This phrase means to surprise someone by doing or saying something unexpected. It's very useful for describing those unpredictable moments that leave people momentarily stunned. Examples. His unexpected question during the meeting really caught me off guard. The sudden change in weather caught us off guard, and we had to find shelter quickly. During the interview, an unusual query caught the candidate off guard, and he struggled to respond. Situations to apply. Catch someone off guard. Recounting a surprising incident or event. Describing moments where someone is taken by surprise, either in a social or work setting. Commenting on unexpected occurrences during everyday life. This phrase is great for adding a touch of spontaneity and emphasizing the unpredictable nature of real-life interactions. Integrating the new vocabulary into your week now that we've covered our 5 key words and 1 common expression, here's a suggestion. Why not incorporate one of these into your daily conversations this week? Start with the one that resonates with you the most. For example, if you love travel, start using jet lag on Sunday. If you're feeling adventurous, try gallivant on Monday. Each day, challenge yourself to use at least 1 new word or expression. The more you practice, the more naturally these words will become part of your everyday speech. And if you're looking for an extra boost, check out the free mobile app we recommend, designed to help you practice these phrases in practical, real-life contexts. It's a fantastic tool to reinforce what you've learned and keep your progress on track. A while back, I was traveling abroad and experienced a classic case of jet lag. One moment, I was deeply immersed in a fascinating conversation with locals, and the next, I completely lost track of time and space. I literally had a moment where I felt disconnected from reality. That unexpected jolt made me realize how important it is to authentically express what I'm feeling, even if it means admitting that I'm not at my peak. It taught me to embrace imperfection and to use simple, real expressions to communicate how I truly feel. And that's what these words are all about, using them to build genuine connections and to express yourself authentically. So, there you have it. 5 essential English words and 1 expression that you must start using right away. Jet lag, gallivant, roaming, transcendent, epiphany, catch someone off guard. Remember, true fluency comes from embracing everyday language and using it naturally in conversations. By mastering these words, you take a big step toward speaking English like a native. I encourage you to practice them, experiment with them in your conversations, and, most importantly, have fun with it. If you enjoyed today's episode, please hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts and experiences, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging lessons just like this one. Share this episode with your friends and fellow English learners. It might be the boost they need. Thank you so much for listening to Everyday English, reminding you to practice, embrace new words, and keep pushing forward in your learning journey. Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing, and remember to comment, like, and subscribe.